Okay, so we're doing problem number 2 on 3.2. This thing, yeah, okay, it's recording. Okay, so we have to find the derivative of the function f of x equals x minus 3x times root x over root x. So, as you all probably know by now, since this is 3.2, we have to use the quotient rule here. But before you do the quotient rule, we have been taught by the great Miss Roshan herself to simplify this to make it a little bit easier on ourselves. Like, just you have this in the denominator just by turning that into x minus 3x to the 3 halves over x to the 1 half. Okay, so once you have this, then you do the quotient rule. So, oh no, it didn't change color. Yeah, there we go. You could just be like, quotient rule. Okay, so now that you're using the quotient rule, you go ahead and do f prime of x equals 1 minus 9 halves x to the 1 half times x to the 1 half minus x minus 3x to 3 halves times 1 half x to negative 1 half. All this over x to the 1 half squared. Okay, so basically what we did here was the quotient rule, which is the derivative of the first, which is this, times the second, which is this, minus the first times the derivative of the second, all over the second squared. So that's what we did right here. And if you continue on from there, you end up getting x to the 1 half minus 9 over 2x minus 1 half x to 1 half plus 3. That should be up there too. It's just like, I don't know why it stayed down here. 3 over 2 x all over x, because when you raise something, when you square or raise some power to something that's already a power, you just multiply it, and all these are added. So it's just the exponent rules. So when they have the same base, you add them. So that's why all that ends up like that. So we just multiply that out, and once you multiply that out, you get this. So you just keep going, and 1 half x to 1 half minus 3x over x. And what we did there was we just found like terms and added them up or canceled them out. So that's what we did there, and that's how we get this. And then you go from that to, let's come down here, 1 half x to the 1 half minus 3. Oh no, yeah. Scroll up. Yeah, to the negative 1 half, sorry. Minus 3, and that is your answer. And you, yeah, you also could have gotten it by simplifying first, which is a lot easier, but this is the long way, using the quotient rule and all that good stuff. So again, we had to find the derivative of the function, and we used the quotient rule. So that's what all this is right here. Up at the top, we're using the quotient rule. And here, we're just doing, normal math, combining like terms, all that good stuff. And then, of course, you get to the answer. It's just simple as that. So, that's how it is. And, I've always wanted to say this. And that's it for this lesson.